A slow-moving storm system brought heavy rain across a wide section of New York State on Sunday evening, flooding streets, prompting dozens of rescues for drivers whose vehicles were stranded on inundated roads and causing at least one death, the authorities said. The Hudson Valley was the most affected by the storm system on Sunday, with sections of the area getting between 5 and 8 inches of rain. The epicenter of the storm struck West Point, the U.S. military academy in Orange County, which had about 8 inches of rain as of Sunday night. Flash flood emergencies, which indicates not only that flooding is occurring, but that it is posing a severe threat to human life. Flash flood warnings were also in effect for Manhattan, the Bronx, Queens, Westchester, Clinton, and Franklin counties on Sunday night. A flood watch was also in effect across New York City.